Malaysia are getting hotter and the storms are getting really stronger, and our insurance premium are also rising. Well, this is how climate change has become the biggest issue in our insurance world, and how it also may affect us directly and indirectly. Insurance companies survive by predicting risks, but climate change is making risks almost unpredictable. More floods, bigger storms, longer droughts, all happening faster than insurance companies can calculate. So let's talk Malaysia, which is our country. Our country has faced 5 major floods in the last decade, and each one of the floods is more expensive. Statistics have shown that the massive flood that occurred between 2021 and 2022 has caused estimated losses of 6.1 billion ringgit Malaysia, which is verified by the Ministry of Finance Malaysia. And the Malaysia insurance provider has paid almost 2.1 billion in motor and property claims in just few months, making it one of the biggest payouts in history. And Malaysia insurance provider has also recorded a 300% or 3-time increase in flood-related claims compared to years before. So when insurance claims shoot up like this, insurance providers start to panic because these have shown that the old pricing model have no longer work. And they have to find a way to create a new pricing model that can suit it to this condition if the trend keeps continuing. So why does this become a huge issue for the insurance provider? So insurers work like this. First, they collect premiums, and then they predict losses, and lastly, they pay out claims. So climate change has breaking the system. Storms are happening in a place that never had them. Flooding repeats in the same town almost every year. Properties that used to be low risk become high risk almost overnight. So this means that the insurance company can't accurately predict the future losses anymore, which is the huge issue for them. So how does this affect us? Well, firstly, we are going to expect a higher premium. So some insurance provider has already increased the premium payment from 50% to 40% for related add-ons after the 2021 floods. Secondly, stricter policies are going to be made by the insurance provider. In high-risk area like Klang, Shah Alam and Kuantan, there will be a lesser coverage, or the insurance provider may need an extra conditions. And third one is the slower claims processing. When disasters happen more often, thousands of claims are going to be processed in a short period of time. Therefore, this may have caused inconvenience amongst the customers. And the future is even going to be riskier. Malaysia annual rainfall is going to increase by 20% to 30% by 2050. Sea levels along Malaysian coast are going to rise 4.0 mm per year, which increase the risk of coastal flooding. And the number of extreme rainfall are going to double by 2050. So for the insurance providers, this means one thing: more claims, more losses, and potentially more areas are going to become uninsurable if the trends keep continuing. So climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's also an insurance increases. So it affects your home, your property, your business, and your financial security. Before you renew your insurance, you have to ask these few questions. Does it include flood, natural disaster coverage, or is your property in a high-risk zone? Or do you understand what is not covered and what is covered in your insurance contract? So climate change is real, and insurance is your safety net. So don't wait until it's too late.